Today, I will be showing you how you can make your survey anonymous. To do this, all you have to do is select Settings on the side menu of your survey. Then, under Data Settings, where it says Not Anonymous, you will need to click it to open the drop-down menu, and you can then select the option Anonymous. As soon as this is done, your changes will be saved automatically. You are only able to change your survey's anonymity settings before you start collecting responses. As soon as you have collected responses, you will no longer be able to change them. Even when your survey is anonymous, you are still able to see the names of your respondents on the responses list. This happens so that you are still able to manage your respondent list. You can view individual responses by downloading the response data. However, to ensure anonymity, the first name, last name, email, and invitation time will be removed from the download. You are also still able to send reminders with anonymous surveys. As long as you've invited your respondents via email or via digital post, you'll be able to remind them. This is how you can make your survey anonymous.